Hello Samruddhi.
Hi.
Samruddhi, today I will ask you some questions about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes.
Okay. So let us begin. What was the birth date of Shivaji Maharaj?
19 February 1630.
Very good. In which fort was Shivaji Maharaj born?
Shivneri Fort.
Shivneri Fort. Your answer is correct. What was the name of Shivaji Maharaj's father?
Shahaji Bhosle.
Very good. And what was the name of Shivaji Maharaj's mother?
Jizabai.
Jizabai. Very good. Which kingdom did Shivaji Maharaj establish?
Maratha Empire.
Maratha Empire. In which year did Shivaji Maharaj get coronated as Chhatrapati?
1674.
1674. Which fort was Shivaji Maharaj's coronation ceremony held?
Raigad Fort.
Raigad Fort. What was the name of Shivaji Maharaj's coronation title?
Chhatrapati.
Chhatrapati, you are right. Which Mughal emperor did Shivaji Maharaj have significant conflicts with?
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb. What is the name of the treaty between Shivaji Maharaj and the Mughal Empire?
Treaty of Purandar.
Treaty of Purandar, you are right. In which year was the Treaty of Purandar signed?
1665.
1665, very good. Who was the Mughal general with whom Shivaji Maharaj negotiated the Treaty of Purandar?
Jai Singh I.
Jai Singh I, very good. Which fort did Shivaji Maharaj famously capture by using a disguised bullock cart attack?
Torna Fort.
Torna Fort. What is the name of Shivaji Maharaj's capital city?
Raigad.
Raigad, yes. Who was the naval commander appointed by Shivaji Maharaj?
Kanoji Agre.
Kanoji Angre. Which sea fort is known for being built by Shivaji Maharaj?
Sindhudurga Fort.
Sindhudurga Fort. Who was the chief queen of Shivaji Maharaj?
Saibai Bhosle.
Saibai Bhosle or Saibai Nimbalkar. Nimbalkar was her surname from her parents. Okay. Who was Shivaji Maharaj's son and successor?
Sambhaji Maharaj.
Sambhaji Maharaj, you are right. Which notable general did Shivaji Maharaj's forces defeat at the Battle of Pratapgarh?
Afzal Khan.
Afzal Khan. In which year did the Battle of Pratapgarh take place?
1659.
1659, you are right. Which fort did Shivaji Maharaj famously escape from using a basket?
Agra Fort.
Agra Fort. Who was the Mughal prince who imprisoned Shivaji Maharaj in Agra Fort?
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb. Which language did Shivaji Maharaj promote for administrative purposes?
Marathi.
Marathi. What was the name of Shivaji Maharaj's bodyguard who helped him escape from Agra?
Hiroji Farzand.
Hiroji Farzand. Which Maratha saint and poet inspired Shivaji Maharaj?
Sant Tukaram.
Sant Tukaram. Very good. What is the name of the fort where Shivaji Maharaj was crowned?
Raigad Fort.
In which year did Shivaji Maharaj die?
When he was 50 years old.
So can you tell me the date, the year?
1680.
1680, yes, you are right. At the age of 50, Shivaji Maharaj died. Who succeeded Shivaji Maharaj after his death?
Sambhaji Maharaj.
Sambhaji Maharaj. Which fort did Shivaji Maharaj construct to protect the Maratha Empire from naval attacks?
Sindhudurga Fort.
Sindhudurga Fort. Which European colonial power did Shivaji Maharaj frequently clash with?
Portuguese.
Portuguese, you are right. Who was the Prime Minister, Peshwa of Shivaji Maharaj?
Morpant Pingle.
Moropant Pingle, yes. What was the title of the chief administrator in Shivaji Maharaj's kingdom?
Peshwa.
Peshwa. Which fort did Shivaji Maharaj use as a base for his navy?
Vijay Durga Fort.
Vijay Durga fort. What was the name of Shivaji Maharaj's younger son?
Rajaram Maharaj.
Rajaram Maharaj. What tactic did Shivaji Maharaj use to fortify his empire?
Guerrilla warfare.
Guerrilla warfare. And what was the name of Shivaji Maharaj's naval fleet?
Maratha Navy.
Maratha Navy. Yes, you are right. What was the emblem of Shivaji Maharaj's empire?
Rajmudra.
Rajmudra. Royal seal. Yes. Which title was given to Shivaji Maharaj by his subjects, meaning great king?
Chhatrapati.
Chhatrapati. Yes, you are right. So you have answered very good. See, I have asked you so many questions and you have answered my questions very nicely. Very good. Samruddhi, very good. And we request all viewers to watch our videos and subscribe to our channel Sachin S. Deshmukh for various videos on English grammar and various videos on our leaders. Thank you.